Hello everyone, I'm extremely happy to meet you all in another Dot Mandala making video, and here is a 12-inch MDF board. I found the center, drew circles, created grids. These are the colors that I'm going to use: brilliant purple, light green and golden yellow. Let us start dotting. I'll start with yellow in the center. Now I'll keep purple dots around these yellow dots. Now I'll keep two tiny dots here. Now I'll keep light green dots on all the lines in this circle. And when I dot on the line, I'll make sure the dot is exactly at the center, like half a dot in one side of the line and half a dot in another side of the line. So if we have to make sure that the dot falls exactly at the center, we just have to dot slowly and not hurry up. I'll keep a golden yellow dot towards this circle line, but on the line only. Now I'll keep purple dot in between. I'll walk the dots with brilliant purple now. Now I'll walk the dots second layer using golden yellow. Now in these places I'll keep purple dots. Now I'll dot with light green on all the lines in this circle. I'll keep golden yellow dots towards the circle line. Now in between I'll keep purple dots. Now I'll walk the dots first layer using brilliant purple. Now I'll walk the dot with yellow. Here I am going to keep a straight swipe in yellow, so I'll keep a plumpy dot and manually drag it to a swipe. Now I am dragging it to a swipe. You must be really slow when you drag it to a swipe. First you draw a straight line and then create the curve. Now I'll keep two side swipes in green. Now I'll keep green dots on all these lines. Now I'll keep yellow dots towards the edge of this circle. I'll keep purple dot in between. Now I'll walk the dot first layer using purple. Now I'll work the dot second layer using golden yellow. Now I'll keep green dots on the lines first and then probably 2 dots in between two. Now I'll work the dot just one side using purple. Now I'll work the dot second layer just one side with this golden yellow.